Electrify your imagination with our DIY kit. Easy to build, kid-friendly, unlimited fun and handmade in India.
Hi, welcome to Shogini Toys Ultimate Digital Party Kit Project 11 2 blinking LEDs. Now for this you should have already completed Project 7. Project 7 looks like this. It has just one LED that blinks, or one segment of the 7-segment LED is blinking. So let's switch it off, and it says connect an additional wire from C12 to H24. C12 to H24. Okay, so I have connected one wire from C12 to H24. Now let's switch it on. You will see that two segments are blinking one after the other. That is 2 blinking LED project 11. Perfect. If you have any problem with something not working, please feel absolutely free to take a picture of your project assembly and send it to us in our WhatsApp number. All the best.
Build, learn, and create. Unleash your inner engineer with our DIY electronic kits.